What if the ban on internal combustion engine vehicles in the US was lifted? It's surprising that the transition to electric transportation is being hindered, and the green economy's goals for reducing emissions are now being overshadowed by something far more harmful. On top of that, if electric vehicle subsidies in the US are eliminated, it could create a huge shock to the market, driving up the price of EVs and reducing the incentive to switch from fossil fuel vehicles to zero-emission ones. This could be why Tesla has introduced more affordable pricing options to break down cost barriers and speed up EV adoption. In 2025 and 2026, a series of budget-friendly Tesla EVs will be launched, and Elon Musk has officially announced 4 key models with prices never seen before, ranging from $20,000 to $30,000. These vehicles promise an impressive range of up to 363 miles on a single charge and acceleration times as low as 2.9 seconds. The best part? More than half of these cars will be available for purchase right now. Let's dive into these shocking Tesla facts in today's episode of Tesla Car World. Before we start, we want to clarify that the $7,500 EV tax credit has not been officially removed yet. According to the latest information, the government has only introduced a bill proposing the elimination of this tax credit, along with a $1,000 tax on electric vehicles. For this to take effect, the bill must pass through Congress and be signed into law by the president. The bill specifies that the tax credit would end 30 days after the law is signed. As of now, we have no confirmation on whether it has been approved, so for now you can still take advantage of this credit. This gives us a chance to maximize our investment before any potential repeal happens. If the legislation to eliminate the credit is passed, consumers who act early in 2025 could lock in their savings before the credit disappears. This creates a strong incentive to buy sooner rather than later and secure the discount while it's still available. Plus, many states offer additional rebates or tax reductions for EV purchases, further reducing the overall cost of ownership, including expenses like home charger installation or financing. With these incentives, buyers in 2025 could enjoy some of the most financially favorable conditions when purchasing an EV. Now let's talk about the first model priced at $20,000. Industry insiders are buzzing about Tesla's upcoming budget-friendly EV, which is expected to hit the market for around $20,000. That's not a price you often hear for an electric vehicle, especially one with the Tesla name. For the Model 2, the biggest challenge will be maintaining affordability, but that doesn't mean Tesla will cut corners on quality. Instead, they'll focus on balance and simplification, compared to the brand's more expensive models. Given the current outlook, it's possible the price of the Model 2 could drop even further if it features slightly lower performance, perhaps due to a 50 kilowatt-hour LFP lithium iron phosphate battery instead of a 53 kilowatt-hour one. The Model 2 is expected to use LFP batteries from CATL, which are known for being cost-effective, safe, and capable of fast charging, even though they offer slightly less energy capacity than other types of batteries. Additionally, with Tesla successfully localizing LFP battery production in North America, the company could have more control over EV pricing, potentially securing an extra $10,000 in profit per vehicle. Multiply that by millions, and it could turn into a massive cash flow for Tesla. Tesla aims to cut production costs by half compared to the Model 3, which currently costs around $33,600 to manufacture. This means the target production cost for the smaller, more affordable EV, likely named the Model 2, would be around $16,800. It's a great deal for consumers while still ensuring Tesla makes a solid profit. Let's not forget the power of economies of scale. Once Tesla begins mass producing these by the millions, those profit margins could become even more attractive. On top of that, the Model 2 is expected to be at least 20% lighter than the Model 3 and up to 30% lighter than the Model Y. However, this doesn't necessarily mean it will sacrifice performance. So what do you think about Tesla's plans for more affordable EVs? Would you be interested in a budget-friendly Model 2? Let us know in the comments. What if the Model 2's performance metrics take a hit? For example, it could still accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 6 seconds, with a top speed of 120 miles per hour. However, timing could pose a major challenge. There's also the looming risk of the federal EV tax credit being repealed this year, causing chaos in the EV market. This uncertainty makes it even more critical for Tesla to launch the Model 2 as soon as possible, not only to secure its market position, but also to ensure that early buyers can take full advantage of any remaining incentives. Lately, news surrounding the Model 2 has been mostly negative, with many reports claiming it has been canceled. Some suggest this is due to fierce competition from China's low-cost EVs, while others argue that it wouldn't be profitable enough for Tesla. Instead, Elon Musk's focus now seems to be shifting toward robotaxis. However, some reports are still suggesting that the Model 2 is set to launch in early 2025. Tesla's quarterly earnings documents indicate that affordable EVs are still on track for release in 2025. So it's too early to say for sure that the Model 2 has been scrapped based on rumors alone. During Tesla's Q3 earnings call, Musk called a $25,000 car pointless, which led many to believe the Model 2 was being replaced by the Cybercab. However, Tesla's focus on autonomy indicates that the Model 2 may not feature built-in full self-driving. Revealing it too early could also hurt Model Y sales in 2025. This is why there's no real reason for Tesla to delay the Model 2. If you believe the Model 2 will be released in early 2025, drop a 1 in the comments below. If you think otherwise, leave a 2. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Now let's talk about the second model, which is priced at $223,000 and expected to change the game. Elon Musk has said that this product will make Tesla a $10 trillion company, and people will talk about it for the next 100 years. Do you know which Tesla model he's referring to? That's right, it's the Tesla Robotaxi, also known as the Cybercab. This futuristic EV, painted in bright yellow, features butterfly doors, Model 3-style headlights, and a full-width LED light bar reminiscent of the Cybertruck. It comes packed with cutting-edge features like one-tap summoning, 3D tracking, and the ability to preset the climate control before you step inside. Musk has explained that since data shows most miles driven in the US involve just 1 or 2 passengers, there's no need to build anything with more than 2 seats, at least for now. These vehicles are expected to be priced under $30,000, with an estimated range of $23,000 to $28,000 when factoring in local EV incentives and policies. Musk is also confident that the operating costs will be as low as 20 cents per mile. As expected, the Tesla Robotaxi Cybercab will have a range of about 200 miles, which is perfect for urban pickups and drop-offs. One of its standout features is its wireless and inductive charging system, allowing it to recharge in just 15 minutes, ideal for fleet efficiency. Tesla has confirmed this through an official YouTube video, showing how the vehicles can autonomously return to a garage or charging station to recharge without the need for a plug. Cost efficiency is one of the biggest selling points of the Tesla Cybercab, especially when compared to traditional taxi and ride-hailing services like Uber and Lyft. Elon Musk has emphasized that Tesla's robotaxi fares will be significantly cheaper than conventional ride-sharing services, with some estimates suggesting fares as low as 18 cents per mile. This would be a huge price drop compared to Uber, where fares typically range from $1.50 to $2.50 per mile, depending on location and demand. By eliminating the need for a driver, operating costs could be reduced by 50 to 60%, since labor is the largest expense for services like Uber. Meanwhile, traditional gas-powered taxis incur fuel costs of around 12 cents per mile, while the Tesla Cybercab is expected to operate at a much lower energy cost, between 3 cents and 5 cents per mile. This makes it a much more economical option for both Tesla and its users. During Tesla's fourth quarter 2024 earnings call in late January, Elon Musk confirmed that the company would launch its fully autonomous ride-hailing service in Austin, Texas, sometime in June 2025. The service will be completely unsupervised, offering a fully autonomous driving experience for riders. Let us know your thoughts on the Model 2 and the Cybercab in the comments below. Tesla is set to launch fully autonomous, unsupervised driving in Austin this June, with no one in the car. Elon Musk confirmed that Tesla is in talks with the city of Austin about the rollout, emphasizing the need for caution. While the technology works outside of Austin, the team wants to ensure everything is perfect before expanding further. Public safety and the safety of those in the vehicle remain top priorities. However, Musk has hinted that once Tesla successfully rolls out a safe and efficient driverless ride-hailing system in Austin, The service could expand to other U.S. cities quickly, depending on local laws and regulations. To attract more riders, Tesla is considering launching a subscription model for the Cybercab. This could offer users unlimited rides for a fixed monthly fee, making it an attractive and predictable option for many consumers. Speculatively, this subscription could cost around $200 per month for unlimited use in urban areas, offering a convenient and cost-effective alternative to traditional ride-hailing services. Now let's talk about the third model, priced at $225,000. If you're considering buying a Tesla Model Y, it's important to know the full cost beyond the listed price. Tesla often offers discounts and incentives on available inventory, meaning the final purchase price can be lower than the listed price. For example, the Model Y long-range rear-wheel drive is listed at $31,490 on Tesla's website, but after discounts and incentives, the final price may be reduced. Tesla is offering a $4,410 price adjustment discount along with an $11,000 referral credit. There are also mandatory fees, such as a $1,390 destination fee and a $250 non-refundable order fee. After factoring in these discounts and fees, the adjusted vehicle price before taxes and registration is $27,120. Buyers must also account for state-specific taxes and registration fees, which vary by state. For instance, the registration fee is typically around $394, but it can differ, especially in states where electric vehicles face additional charges due to the absence of gas taxes. Sales tax is generally around 7.75%, which amounts to about $2,440, but this varies by state. After adding these costs, the total price comes to around $30,554. For those financing, Tesla requires a $1,000 initial deposit, leaving a remaining balance of $29,548. A similar pricing structure applies to the Model Y long-range all-wheel drive, which is priced at $34,490. After factoring in discounts, taxes, and fees, the final cost of this model is approximately $225,600. For those who qualify for the full tax credit, this price could be further reduced. Tesla continues to refine its Model Y lineup, balancing performance and practicality. For long-term ownership, financing is the better option, as it allows buyers to retain full self-driving capabilities and free supercharging credits, benefits that are lost when leasing. The highly anticipated Model Y performance, which will offer enhanced acceleration and agility, is set to launch later this year, as confirmed by Tesla executives Lars Moravy and Franz von Holzhausen. Prototypes with revised bumpers have been spotted, and a 7-seat version of the Model Y is in development for families. Tesla's Project Juniper is also bringing significant design and engineering changes. One key update is the removal of the Tesla T emblem, giving the car a sleeker, more minimalist look. Additionally, the return of traditional signal stalks and improved button controls reflect customer feedback. Performance improvements include reduced brake caliper drag, which contributes to better efficiency. A new dual-layer, silver-coated glass roof helps improve thermal insulation and reduce cabin noise, while aerodynamics and HVAC efficiency have been optimized for a 2.8% increase in range. Tesla is continually pushing forward with both innovation and practicality, offering consumers a more refined, efficient, and affordable electric vehicle experience. The EPA estimated range, along with cabin improvements, adds a new level of comfort and quietness. Redesigned door and trunk latches, premium noise-insulating materials, and an advanced occupant detection system that tracks heart rate and breathing patterns all contribute to enhanced safety and convenience. Additionally, a new multi-layer rear glass helps reduce road noise, ensuring a more peaceful and refined driving experience. Next up is the fourth model, priced at $23,550. Tesla continues to set the bar for electric vehicle performance with its latest Model 3 lineup, which offers the perfect balance of range, speed, and acceleration, all at a competitive price. The long-range rear-wheel drive version is currently listed at $29,999 on Tesla's official website, But that's before any applicable incentives. Buyers can take advantage of federal and state EV incentives, potentially lowering the price even further. Thanks to these incentives, the long-range rear-wheel drive Model 3 can now be purchased for as low as $23,550, while the long-range all-wheel drive version drops to around $27,400, making it an incredible deal for a premium electric sedan. Positioned as Tesla's most affordable sedan, the Model 3 competes with the BMW 3 Series and has undergone significant updates to improve aerodynamics, design, and overall driving experience. One of the most exciting upgrades is the new Model 3 Performance, which offers major powertrain improvements. Leaked documents reveal that the next-generation Model 3 Performance will feature a more powerful 472 horsepower rear motor compared to the previous 55 horsepower dual-motor setup. This means a total output of 618 horsepower, a dramatic 113 horsepower increase, putting it on par with high-performance gasoline sports cars. Tesla may even rename it the Model 3 Ludicrous, in reference to the Plaid lineup's legendary acceleration. The performance gains are especially noticeable at high speeds. The new rear motor reaches peak power at 68 miles per hour, compared to 47 miles per hour in the previous version, significantly improving acceleration for highway driving and overtaking. Tesla's advanced motor technology, possibly using carbon-wrapped rotors, ensures high efficiency and durability. Do you have an order placed for one of these 4 Tesla models? If so, you might want to reconsider making your purchase just yet. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in.